Okay, so here I go again. This doggone damn thing. I don't know exactly what I'm doing here, but it's some serious mind-boggling, brain cramping puzzle. So the tricky part is to get all your stuff where they supposed to go. Like I'm supposed to work on this daisy or something. Yeah, it's daisy. Let me see. Let's see, where's daisy? Let's see how I get my daisy. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. I'm just trying to flip this sucker anywhere I can. Because it's not impossible, but it's very hard to do. You gotta know a few tricks, and I don't know them. So, you ain't got nothing to do but sit here and watch me try to get this thing. Then go ahead and watch me keep flipping for nothing. Because until I learn those tricks, then I don't know if I can get this. It's really tricky. It's really, really tricky. You know, I've wasted too much time already, I think, trying to flip this dang thing into where it's supposed to go. And I just can't get it to go where it's supposed to go. So, I mean, you can stay tuned and watch and hope that I get it. But it's tricky. Okay, so I made it this far. Okay, let's say like this. I made it this far. Now I gotta get that right here. There's a trick to do that. I didn't memorize that one. So, let me see what else I could do. I could try to do, this one. Do that, because that plays in place. So I'll do that much. So then, to try this. Where's the white? Where's the white? Give me the white. Where's the white? Where's the white? Where's the white? Where's the white? Okay, look.
I don't see the white.
I got this orange one in place.
I don't see the white. Oh.
Yeah.
Left of the white.
Yeah. I did. Big time. Oh. Nope. Aha!
Hat.
I got it right back. So. Like this. Like this. No, wait. Boom. Boom. Look at that.
Look at that.
So,
And the blue is fun.
Oh no. Oh. Wait. No, 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 no. This is the tricky part, man. This is the real part that's really tricky because it's kind of hard to get because it's very hard to get. Oh man, where's my blue? Right here. There it is. Right there. There's my blue. There's my blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Think you can do it the same way to the white?
Let's see. The white. Where is all my white?
Right there, and right there,
Okay,
and right
so
there.
yeah, like this, and then like this.
Seems like these would be good for something, huh?
What color did I just have? Blue? What? Oh, yeah.
Screws,
Something.
nails, little shit.
Okay, I got the blue back. And I got almost...
What you watch?
Oh,
Brody King. No, I don't know.
Bro, yeah.
Okay. What's the deal here? What's going on? What am I trying to do? I got all my blue. I need to get this thing in. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I just don't know what I'm doing exactly. I'll admit I don't know what is going on here. It's just difficult, and I'm just flipping. But I get very close, of course. See, I need to pay attention to where's all my stuff. Like, where's all my stuff, and where does it need to go, you know? So, this needs to be, like, up there with them, but that's in the wrong spot, so let's do like this. Oh, that's not right neither. Oh, like this. What's up? What's up? Look, boom, boom, bam.
look, bald head. Look, Mom.
What's up?
Look, bald head. Look. Ha. Bald head.
Bald head. Whoa.
I don't think you know what you're doing.
You noticed?
Yeah.
But look, I
By
got
the title
on
of
my
this
white.
video,
I got on
man.
my white.
I noticed by the title of this video.
But I try my hardest.
Yeah, you did.
I do.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, again, I come close, guys.
Yeah, you come really
See,
close.
but not close enough. So,
Yeah. Well.
to be continued, I guess.